What's going on, everybody? Good morning, and if you're not subscribed, subscribe to the channel now. And I noticed I've been saying that a lot more because of, I don't know, the channel's been growing and we're almost at 18K, so thank you everybody for subscribing, thank you to all the new viewers, and thank you for always watching my videos and yeah, watching whenever I post. But today we're gonna fix my messed up shift linkage. Well, it's not really messed up. My pin, which is also known as the bitch pin, came off. And the main reason was because I forgot to put my retainer clip when I probably put the motor in the car and everything, which was like 3 months ago. But luckily it didn't fall off when I drove the car up to like Nemo's garage or anything like that. So I did go to Honda and pick up a new retainer clip. This is the one that goes around the linkage to prevent the bitch pin from sliding out. And here's the part number. And huge shout out to Lee over there, because now, like before, I used to walk into Honda and be like, yeah, can I get this? And then I have to wait like a day or pick it up right there. But before I used to do that, but now Lee, since he works there, like he's been working there for so long, I just let him know what I want. He'll order it for me, walk in, grab it, and lets me know if it's not in stock or anything, and pick up the next day. So thank you very much, Lee. You're the MVP over at Honda. And I already had this. I had it chilling in my garage for probably 2-3 months. My new pin that I didn't really use because I just reused the old one, but now I have both of them. So there's a part number. This is the pin and this is the retainer clip. So we're gonna put that on. And also I came home yesterday from work, and thank you very much, JBTuned. JBTuned, if you're not following him on Instagram or check out his site, I'll drop all the links below. And he makes a lot of hydraulic lines and everything. So I have to install my tuck clutch line that he sent me, and I will save that for a different video. Today I'm gonna fix the shift linkage, get the car washed, and then meet up with a friend, get some lunch and everything. And probably gonna relax today. I don't really want to work on my car today because I realized I work and then my days off I try to film a video for you guys and work on my car, which is pretty much what I'm doing now. But today I kind of just want to relax, you know, just kick back and chill. So yeah, go. I don't know, but yeah, this is from JBTuned. I already know what it is. Hell yeah. Now it is ground cables. The one reason why I actually kind of hit him up about the ground cables was because he makes it in like a good direction. Also, he makes different sizes or lengths. So hit him up if you guys want custom ground cables. And this one right here is on the back of my valve cover, because I do, instead of running from the front, I run from the back onto the shock tower. And I told him to make me a custom log one, and wow, this thing looks really nice. And also, got this one. This one's for the transmission. What's cool is because when he sells it, he'll send you an email on how you want like certain angles and everything. So, for example, this is going to the transmission housing or transmission case, and then this right here will go on to the frame. And you see how if I hold it straight, this side's flat, this side's pretty much vertical. So he does it so nothing like bends or kinks or anything. So yeah, so it's gonna be like this on my transmission. Thank you very much, JBTuned. I will be installing this probably today because it's very simple and easy. And I'll do the clutch line in a different video, so stay tuned for that, guys. Yeah, just chilling here. I have parts and parts to install. I just, well, especially like my kit, I'm still waiting. I feel like I should be getting the rest of the kit sometime this week. So I'll have a video for you guys when I cruise up north to Ontario to pick it up from Nemo's garage. And also a lot of people ask me where I buy all my parts. One is Nemo's garage. I also go to Nemo's garage for like brand new parts, and also parts that I need order from Japan, which is like my kit and everything and certain things. Also eBay. Now eBay, you can buy a lot of real parts on there too. You just go to AM or something, grab the part number, slap it into eBay, and put the price shipping to lowest first, which you will find the cheapest thing first. And yeah, so I save money also. And of course, yeah, I think that's the main two places. Oh, Summit Racing and Jags, but that's all like for my fittings, AM lines, and everything like that. So hopefully that answered questions for you guys. And yeah, also Craigslist and OfferUp, but nowadays I stick with only new parts. All right, let's get to pulling this car out and doing or fixing my shift linkage real quick. And I'm not sure if I should record this, but I'll record it for you guys because yeah, content installing a pin. And also I am running an innovative shift linkage, which I will show you guys right now or sometime. Yeah, have I always been in the frame? I have. Okay. Alright, so we are under my car now, and you guys see that? That is a 10 mil holding my shift linkage for now, because yeah, it came off. So take this off real quick. And that's why there's so much slop, because it doesn't fill in the gap all the way. No. Come on. Oh. So this was holding my shift linkage for what, that night and now. So now we're just gonna put the pin back in, but what I'm gonna do is take this off first and drill this out a little bit. I think this one, or this innovative linkage, was causing the issue, because at one point I had to drill this out to make the bitch pin fit. So I'm gonna take that out and re-drill it a little bit, and we should be good. But also, since I'm down here, I am running the Dimes Performance solid shifter bushings, and back there too. You can't see it, but yeah, these create less slop, but also in order for you to run these, you have to have solid motor mounts. If you don't, it will snap your linkage. So that's a heads up. So I pulled it off, and good thing, or one thing I actually like about this is when you have the bitch pin in there and the retaining clip, you don't always have to take this off to take out the linkage. What you could do is take off this bolt, and the whole linkage will come out, and this will still be in where right there where the shift rod is. So that's one way, like, you don't have to keep taking off your bitch pin. Like when I did my swap, all I did was take off this bolt, and then I didn't even have to take off the bitch pin, because sometimes that does become a bitch. That's why it's called a bitch pin, and hopefully I don't get demonetized for saying the word bitch all the time, but we will see. But yeah, so what I'm gonna do is now drill out the top portion a little bit, because I put a flashlight through and it looks like the top portion doesn't clear all the way. So we're gonna drill out the top and then put the pin back in and then put the clip, and we should be good and have no more slop. Like ridiculous slop. So I'm just gonna drill this out real quick, and then we're gonna put it back in. So I went ahead and put it on and smashed it in. Well, not smashed it in, but hit it in. And I normally use a C-clamp, like a small C-clamp, to push it in, but this pin was so new that it was spread out. So I had to resort to using a hammer, but I used one of these, or you use a 12 mil bolt and tap it in like that. But also one tip is, when you're gonna be hitting this in, normally if you pull up your shift linkage or it's in neutral, it's right here. You don't want to do that, because the shift linkage is pulled out, so when you hit it from here, you have more chance of damaging the shift rod, because it's more pushed out. So what you do is push it in, so there's less to ruin or whatever. So yeah, because normally it's like this if it's in neutral, whereas I'm putting gear, so you don't cause too much or cause it to flex too much. So now that's in. Now I'm going to put in the new retaining clip, and let's see if I can do this with one hand. Okay, I cannot do this with one hand. There you go, the new retaining clip is on. Now to put the shift rod boot back over and put the shift linkage back in, and yeah. Oh, there you go, just like that. This is one reason why I bought this linkage, because yeah, just easier to remove stuff. And this is still the OEM, oops, this is still the OEM ITR one. Now I am only using innovative on the shift rod side and ITR stabilizer, because what I found out is, I'm not sure like how they designed this shift linkage, but before, when I would go into neutral or go into gears, you'll hear like a slight like tap on metal, because the innovative shift linkage, it will touch each other. But with this setup, with the ITR stabilizer bar and a innovative linkage or shift rod side, it doesn't hit, it doesn't make that sound. So that's why I did that. But yeah, I'm gonna put this all back together now. Everything's back in. Now we're gonna go up top and see how the shift linkage feels. And right now it feels pretty solid. And it's cool because you could tie in these to prevent less, like more or less slop. That's one reason why I got this too. All right. Oh, it was weird. The car's tilted. All right. So far, looks so good. I mean, oh my god, dude, this thing feels fucking amazing. Oh yeah, it feels way better. There's still like slight play left, like a little bit, but that's just because of the shifter though. But oh my god, this thing feels amazing. It feels better than before. Okay, what am I doing? All right, but good. So with the shifter fixed now, I'm gonna be changing my ground cables, so I might as well do it since I have some time before I meet up with Ronaldo. And this short one goes right here on the transmission side, down there. And this one, the one that I got custom length for, is for this, because I don't run it on the front like everybody does. I run from the back with this little weird connector I found from Home Depot, or my brother. I think, yeah, my brother gave this to me. He got it from somewhere. And then I run it all the way through to right here. So I'm gonna replace the ground cables real quick. I don't need to show explanation. It's pretty easy. And see how it looks with this one. These are pretty beefy too. So thank you very much, JBTuned. Can't wait to see what else you have that you develop and stuff. I really like that new quick release fuel line you're making. Shit's pretty sick, but let me know. The transmission ground, I have to drill this out a little bit to fit my 12 because it goes on my transmission right there. I don't have that one bracket. So I'm just gonna drill this out until it fits the 12 mil and we should be good. But if you're using the bracket with a 10, then you don't have to drill it out. But since I'm using the 12, I have to drill it out. And yeah, but besides that, I did put the other side on. I know I could tuck this and hide it underneath the car somewhere, but I don't know. I like seeing it, so it looks cool. Very clean. So, all right. Shouldered it out. Now it can easily fit the 12. This is the 12. Bam, right there. Now to put it on. Transmission ground is in, and the valve cover one. You don't really see difference, but it's a lot cleaner. Just like the little things that matter sometimes. And I still need to change this out because this is still bugging me because I just have one red wire sticking out. Like that's just weird, man. But I have the new one that I have to put on, which is right here, the raw wire one. Yeah, this is the starter wire. I already did the alternator wire. Yeah, I just haven't put it on because I'm just, I guess, lazy, or I forgot what I was gonna do. But yeah, I need to change the red wire out, and then after that, yeah, it'd be a lot cleaner. And I have the giant raw wire harness down there, and yeah. But besides the red wires, I need to buy new dash 10 fittings. I want these to be all black. So yeah, for now this is kind of an eyesore, but looking real mint. And I need to relocate that, so I'm trying to look for a different one to relocate it, because I feel like it's just weird how it's just randomly floating here compared to everything else is just not there anymore. So I need to tuck this away somewhere or find a different one. But it looks so good, right? Oh my god. Ground cables make a huge difference. So thank you very much once again, JBTuned, for hooking it up. And I need to do your clutch line soon and have a lot of other things to like install, but literally it's all a waiting game because I do have my Seeker wing right there and then the J-Blood up there. So just all waiting. I really want to put this wing on. It looks so nice, the Seeker V1, but just have to wait. What else? Oh, I might be installing this soon. People that know what this is actually my Osaka Gdi muffler that I got when I was in Japan. So just have to get that welded on and be good. So I might be doing that sometime probably this week or so. And yeah, so I actually don't know how long this video is, but I'm gonna go kick it today. I think this video is kind of short, but thank you guys for sticking around and watching the video. And hopefully this, I know a lot of people are like, this motivates me, like you working in a car and everything. So glad I can motivate you guys and inspire you guys. Just keep building your car your own way, and yeah, you just be happy with the results. So peace out.